Welcome to Netiquette Next. Today I'm going to show you how to use Chat GPT properly. In the previous video, I have shown you the history of Chat GPT and how to sign it up and the other some little features of Chat GPT. But today I'm going to show you its other features which I haven't told you yet. So I'm going to open Chat GPT. I'm going to log in it with my username, continue with Google. So it appeared here as Chat GPT. This is new chat. Here I can chat with Chat GPT. For example, I am asking it to tell me the names of small animals. It is showing me the result for the small animals. This is my chat with ChatGPT. Now I'm gonna show you, if I want a new chat with ChatGPT, I can use new chat from here. This one and this one, these are my previous chats with ChatGPT. If I click it here and edit it, I can rename it with whatever I want. Whatever I write, I can rewrite the name of my chat. I have clicked it. It is saved it as this one. Now I have write it. From this upward arrow, you can share the link of your chat. You had chat with ChatGPT. Now you want to share it with someone, with some of your friends, with your students, with your colleagues, with your family, with anyone you want. You can use this option. You can use your URL, copy it, and then send it on Gmail, on any other social media platform. You can also delete it from here. I have deleted that. So I'm gonna show you, this was the case. Now I'm gonna tell you about some of ChatGPT extensions. This is already so much beneficiary and useful, but if you will add some extensions to it, it is more useful. For example, I am searching AI PRM ChatGPT. It is an extension really useful to the ChatGPT. I'm gonna add it. It is checking from a browser. This has continue. This has it has been right here. It has been added to my ChatGPT. These all are the prompts showing here in the front page because of the ChatGPT extension I recently have added to my ChatGPT. For example, I am using this prompt: a human written 100% unique SEO optimized article. The output in the language, I am gonna use English, but you can use whatever language you want. The tone, you can use emotional or upgrade for more, but I'm gonna use default. The writing style, I'm gonna use default. You can use any other poetic, or you can upgrade it. For example, it is written here 2000 words. I can write here the 10,000 words. When I will ask it, it will write me 10,000 words. Additional keywords, if I want to use any specific keywords, just like marketing jobs, I have write a keyword here. Number of heading, it will give me 15 number of heading, but if I want number of heading according to my need, according to my requirement. I can ask it. Just for example, 25. It is for now just like write about the top 10 trending jobs in the world. It will give me a human written article. It is just outlining it. It has a lot of other features. It is writing it right now. If I want to stop it, I can stop it from stop generating the response. But it is writing the top trending 10 best jobs in the world for me. This is the use of Chat GPT or any other extensions. It can do it without extension, but extensions are quite helpful. Like this prompt, this extension has 3,300 and some extensions. This has stopped right now, but I can continue generating its response. So it is I can also stop new chat. It also has came back to all the other prompts. I can use any of them for according to my need. If I want to use the same prompt for again and again for different purposes, I can use it to my favorites. This extension, because of this extension, I am seeing all these prompts. It is public. This feature is in the pro. I can hide if I want to. All topics: copywriting, DevOps, generating AI, marketing. These are the topics I can choose, and according to that it will be giving me the response. Activity: these are the activities I can ask it to generate the response about. Views, votes, updates, these are suited by OpenAI. These are for us. I can search anything here. In the front page, it is showing me 12 prompts. I can show up to 20 prompts if I want to. In the end, it is asking, in the front page it is showing 1 to 20 prompts, but it already have 3,373 prompts. I can go to next page and to previous page and to next also. The output in English, tone, default, writing style, all these things have been discussed with you already. I think you can this is for now. This is to my best knowledge. I have shown you all the things I know, and today we are living in the really advanced era, so all these things can be promoted and can be upgraded. So please look forward to them and look forward to our next video, in which I will be showing you any other AI tool or any other app or the use of the app. That's for now. Please look forward to our channel and the new videos. Thank you for now. Hope you find it interesting. Good luck.